Welcome back, everybody, to Synalytics Crypto. My name is Mike. Thank you for joining me this evening. No mask, that was for you. I didn't do the clap for you. Don't want to blow out your ears anymore, brother. But anyways, let's get to it, you guys. So, still here in Tulum, Mexico, and having another beautiful day, as well as crypto is having a beautiful day. I like what I'm seeing, you guys. Bitcoin a little bit on the rise, a nice steady growth. Ethereum. Okay, so I don't remember if it was yesterday or the day before, but I basically was saying at 3,500 that we're going to 4K probably by the end of the week, which I meant not necessarily the end of the week, but within a week's time is what I really meant. And I was wrong because we're pushing 3,900 already right now, just a little off the all-time high and heading towards 4K rapidly. This is what I like to see. Ethereum is just absolutely crushing it. Like I said in the video the other day, it's just a matter of time before everything starts running downhill, and you're going to see a lot of the altcoins start to explode as soon as the trickle-down effect starts happening. So we're going to get into a couple pieces of news here in a minute, but just wanted to scroll down the list here and look at the health of the market, because these are always good times as a crypto trader. You love to see lots of green. You like to see these 40% weekly candles. You like to see things doing good. Uniswap still sitting there, hasn't done anything, but it's going to. Chainlink pulled back a little bit off its all-time high, still coiling up. Met a person at the beach today. We were talking about crypto, and he was asking me, as a new investor, what do you think I should be investing in? And I said, honestly, you know what, dude? The best thing you can do, shout out to you, by the way, my man, if you see this video, you know who you are. I said, if you're going to be new into the space, you don't want to be messing with altcoins. You don't want to be hitting up Uniswap. You want to have some Bitcoin. You want to have some Ethereum. I said, you want to have some Cardano. You want to have some Litecoin. And some of you may disagree with this. If you do or do not, leave a comment below, help the algorithm. And I said you want to have some Chainlink. Those are the 5 places I would put my money as a new investor because I feel comfortable with them. They're multi-billion-dollar market caps. They're not going anywhere. There's none of these projects are just going to crash overnight and disappear and run away with your money. That's what I would be doing as a newer investor. And the more I'm out there, the more I meet people who are basically new investors. They don't know how to get started. They don't know what to do. And it's so funny because there's a few of these headlines we're going to be talking about here, but so many people are mentioning Dogecoin. They don't know anything about crypto, but they know Dogecoin. And that's the power of marketing. That's the power of celebrity backing. That's the power of, well, it started really with Elon Musk, but can't wait to get in some of these articles with you. So, it's funny how, because I don't like Dogecoin, you all know that, but it's like an entry. It's like the gateway drug into crypto for a lot of mainstream people. They hear about these Dogecoin things on mainstream, and they start to hear about crypto as a whole. So if anything, that's something that's happened because of Dogecoin. But I just don't know, man. So what if it gets to $1, right? At this point, it's at 64 cents. So what? You're going to make a 30-something% markup? Why would you even play with that in crypto? It's too high risk. It's too overinflated. The market cap is absolutely ridiculous. Y'all know how I feel about Dogecoin. But anyways, one more thing that I wanted to talk about down here, because y'all know I am a big fan. I have been a fan for a long time. I still call it Matic, but it's Polygon. Polygon is going to start running again. I honestly believe that Polygon at 84 cents is very undervalued. Even at a $5.136 billion market cap, this could easily creep its way up into 10, 12, 15 billion dollar market cap, which would be a 3x from here. I'm looking at Polygon to basically start going on a run here again really soon. They're doing some huge things, layer 2 solutions, making some big partnerships. That's what I like to see. So things are looking good. That's the quick report. This is the first piece of news before we get to the rest of it. I just want you guys to be aware of this, and I'm not pointing this out because of the giveaway that they're doing. I just want you to understand, look, if you don't follow crypto banter, you're missing out on a lot of really good information. I get a ton of information there. I follow them. These guys make some great calls. They got the dude on there called the Sniper. He really knows what he's talking about. The guests that they have on there when they do Banter Fridays, so much information packed into a 1-hour show. So, and yeah, sure, you have a chance at winning, part of the banter bags, which will be over 500K by the time they start giving it out. But really, really great crypto channel there. So I'm not reading the article. I just want to tell all y'all, and I'm sure most of you actually probably already know, it's a pretty big crypto channel, but crypto banter, great place to be, you guys. So let's get rid of that. And another piece of news here. Dogecoin holders should convert their Doge to BTC, says Barry Silbert. I want to know what you guys think. Do you agree? Leave a comment below. Let me know. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the red bell. Takes a couple seconds, and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. However you choose to do it. Everyone's entitled to their opinions, but I like to see comments in the comment thread. I Love to interact with my people. So let me know, what do you guys think? Should Dogecoin holders convert their Doge to BTC? Well, the short answer is yes. And also the long answer is yes. So, if you've gotten into Doge early and you happen to ride this from, just a few pennies all the way up to, I think its high was like 71 cents. I'm not a financial advisor, but do you really want to just hold out for that dollar? Is it really that important? Are you really caught up in the hype behind Dogecoin that you have to get a dollar? Because guess what? There's a lot of people who are going to sell their Dogecoin right before a dollar. And I believe it's going to start a trickle-down effect where a bunch of people are going to start getting out. So should you convert it to Bitcoin? Yes, because especially if you've made a ton of profit, why wouldn't you take it from something that is basically super meme driven and put it into an asset that we know is going to be around for a very, very, very long time, that being Bitcoin or Ethereum? If I had a bunch of profits in Dogecoin, I'd probably split it up 60-40 Ethereum and Bitcoin. So let's say you're in Dogecoin for a loss. Let's say you bought at the top. You bought at 71 cents, yesterday, day before. And you're weighing out the risk versus reward. Over the long haul, Doge can't get too much higher. Even if it gets to $1, the market cap's going to be well over 100 billion. It's very unnecessary for that to happen. If you're at a loss and you put your money from Doge into BTC, in the long run, you're going to win. If you want to be really smart, you're going to catch on the Ethereum train right now and run with that train, because Ethereum is going to do huge things this year. Ethereum, I believe, is going to break 10K this year. Probably even more than that. I wasn't a big believer in the 10K Ethereum run, but I'm seeing what's happening now. And once they come out with the BIP 1559 and the layer 2 solutions take hold, and Ethereum's cheaper, the gas fees are cheaper, and it becomes a full-on proof of stake instead of proof of work. Look, Ethereum's not going anywhere, guys. Ethereum is going to be a big deal. And I still think, even at what it's been doing lately, it's going to outperform Bitcoin for now. So short answer, yes. Long answer, yes. Here's proof. Elon Musk cautions crypto traders after Dogecoin's incredible week. I'm not going to read the article. The guy knows. He knows that he has started something that has really, really, really caught on. And I know the whole Saturday Night Live stunt and whatever like that. Look, Dogecoin, the momentum is way too high at this point. It's time to get out. If it was me, whether it's in a profit or not, I would be out of this, because as quickly as it can rise, it can absolutely turn and crash, and you're going to be bummed. It's really hard to lose 50% on an asset, especially if you got a bunch of money into it. So I guess he came out and he was basically telling people, hey, be careful. So, if Elon Musk is your crypto god and that's why you're getting into Dogecoin, your guy's telling you to get out. So enough said, right? Last piece of news, just a real quick one, that really is more like a spider web, really, because it's just the beginning of everything that I think eventually is going to lead to a Bitcoin ETF. Now, once that Bitcoin ETF comes in the US, all of the other countries are going to follow suit, and there's going to be major institutional and retail FOMO at the same time into Bitcoin. This is how you get Bitcoin to the prices we've been talking about, the $250,000 Bitcoin, right? Quarter mil. That's what we're pushing towards. That's what's going to happen once we get that ETF, and it's going to solidify worldwide, globally, what Bitcoin's actually doing. And the reason I mentioned that, Goldman Sachs formally establishes cryptocurrency trading team. Now, it doesn't sound like a big deal on the surface, but they're getting ready to have their own layer. They're creating a cryptocurrency team. Before you know it, banks are going to be custodying Bitcoin. Places like Goldman Sachs, I mean, you're talking about huge global market movers, are really starting to understand that, hey, we can't beat Bitcoin. So we're going to have to join it. So there's your news for the day, you guys. Just a quick little video to get out there. Again, loving seeing the health of the market. I've been making a video for, 6, 7, 8 minutes now. I just like to give a quick refresh just because I always like to see the momentum. And, boom, we got some green. Things are looking good. So have a great day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Please like, please subscribe, please share this video, and please have a great day. Peace.